We're in cruise on our way to Noss Field, Delta Victor Oscar. San Diego, Gillespie. And it's time to plan the descent. So what we're about to do is cover the destination
Southwest 45
with a cursor
keep your climb going, but amend altitude maintain 310
and choose ATK offset.
310 up front for the final, and
Then dial in -5. This is somewhat arbitrary, but it certainly works in all cases. Then put in 1,500 feet above field elevation. Above field elevation. I apologize for the squelch. Above field elevation.
That is it.
Okay, and then we hit enter. Now that populates the VNAV profile, but it populates it at 3-degree slope, which is a skosh fast for this aircraft. Recommend 1,000 feet a minute. To that end, we can tap VNAV profile and change that number to 1,000 even, and then hit enter. And note that the top of descent is
Los Angeles Center, Desert Flight 841, flight level
44 minutes away.
Desert Flight 841, Roger.
It's jumping around a little bit. I think it's trying to catch up with the computer. In any case, the VSR is displayed up here. So if ATC gave us pilot's discretion, we would wait for the target altitude, and if we had clearance to do so at pilot's discretion, we would put in the altitude that we're descending to, and then arm the VNAV. Then when Betty says vertical track, we would note a magenta caret scale here
Flight 841 center.
on the altitude tape. And maybe we'll get a chance to show you that, but for now, we'll leave that alone because we have no clearance to do otherwise.
We were given direct R good in Oakland, but we'll go back to Palmdale.
Dick Rochfort flies safely.
27.1.
27.1.
Train off it.
Southwest 4580, contact L Center 125.72.